Polygon Matic, the best performer, whatever you want to call it, has been doing extremely well over the last week or so. And there's several things that this could be attributed to, whether it be the new partnerships, the vision for the future, the roadmap, all these sorts of things. There's a lot of positivity floating around, but there's some other things that are happening that maybe may not be noticed by most people. And I want to take you guys through what some of these things are. I think it's important that when a coin is doing as well as it is, you have to pay attention and make sure you see what the whole picture is, right? So one of the biggest things that happened in the middle of October was a large portion of the supply was removed from exchanges. So actually we can see a drop from about 1 billion in total supply on exchanges down to what currently sits at 833 million. So almost 170 million Matic removed from exchanges. And the reason for this typically is because people will buy it and they'll put it into cold storage. So what that means, if you're not familiar, is they see, the vision for the future, right? They want to take it off exchanges and hold it. They don't plan on trading it anytime soon. That'd really be the only reason to do so. So as we've continued to go up, you can see now that obviously some people have sold, taken profits, but we are correcting and starting to go back down again as far as the supply on exchanges. More people are digging into Matic, Polygon, and seeing what the vision for the future is. Now, there's some other things happening as well. I'm almost through this congestion. I'm almost there. So we can see that the network growth is the highest that it has been in months. So more and more people are starting to pay attention to the, layer 2 chains, and Matic obviously being one of the biggest ones and having one of the best built layer 2, chains. More and more people are going to start using it, and it's really starting to ramp up now. That's why you see this huge spike. Obviously, when a coin performs well, like Matic has been doing, people are naturally going to be curious, right? It's going to strike their curiosity. They're going to want to find out what's going on. So this is why you start to see more and more usage. Now, obviously, the price has gone up without any real major correction. That's the only thing that some people may find concerning. It is in what they call the danger zone. So right now, the short-term profit loss of holders is in the danger zone. Now, that being said, it may not be done running quite yet, okay? And this is not financial advice. Take this how you will. Do your own research, right? But what we're starting to see is obviously, the price is kind of flattened out a little bit. Every time that there's these kind of run-ups, there's always going to be some sort of pullback in some way, shape, or form, right? When it did go through its massive run-up, it was actually doing about $2.3 billion in 24-hour volume, which is, quite a bit. Actually, if we look way back here, we can see it had only done about 300 million a day, right? 24 hours. So as we started to come down, correct here, it actually ended up coming down to about 700 million per day, 24-hour volume, right? But now we are actually seeing an increase again. We're actually up over 1.25 billion in dollars, guys, per day. Okay. And what's really important to note too, excuse me, is that compared to the rest of the market, which is red, right? At least at the time of making this video, Polygon is the only Matic, right? Whatever you want to say, is one of only 2 coins in the top 20 that are green, excluding stable coins, obviously, right? So the only other one is Litecoin, and it's up 1.1%. So on a down day, Polygon continues to be up. And this could be a sign too. People like to chase green candles, so you may see some shift over there today as well. So obviously see how this plays out. Obviously at the time of watching this video, you'll see how it plays out because this is going to come out at some point in the early afternoon. But that's all I really got for you guys. I kind of wanted to give you a broader scope of what's been going on. Polygon, Matic, both doing great things in their own regard. The coin is performing well and the chain is performing well. And I think there's a really good opportunity for both of these things to cement themselves as a big long-term play. Now, obviously, this is not financial advice or anything like that. Definitely do your own research, but these are just some of the things that are some of the reasons that Polygon is doing so well right now. So just obviously wanted to keep you guys updated and informed because then again, that way you can keep luck on your side just like me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you haven't already, show your support for the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'm almost there, guys, I promise. And I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care, guys.